In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open a Nickel account in Spain. Google search for Open Nickel Account Spain and click on the first link that pops up right here. And now you will need to select Open an Account, and it's going to take about 5 minutes. In which country do you reside? You will need to select Spain here and click on Continue. Now it is going to show us the needed documents, so we will need and also the agreements. So this account is for personal use, not professional or business use. You will need to provide your valid identity document, a mobile phone number, and also your phone's camera or a webcam so your identity can be verified. If you have a referral code, you can add it here. You want to click on Open an Account. Now the first thing that it's going to ask us for is going to be the email address, and we will need to click on Begin. And right here, identity verification, it is going to tell us that it's going to take 5 minutes. So we will click on Start Verification. Select the issuing country to see which documents we accept. So I'm going to do Spain, and it is going to accept national identity documents, so ID and a residence permit. I'm going to click on ID, and it is going to ask us to send the identity documents front. So you will need to continue on mobile, or you can upload a photo if you have a photo of your ID, the front of your ID first. Then it's going to ask you for the back of the ID, and you will need to provide that as well. The next step will be providing your personal data. Then you will need to go through these different steps as well. So you will need to verify your identity, provide your personal data. You will need to link a bank account and go through fiscal, economic data, business, and the end will be just verifying your account. And that is how we create an account with Nickel in Spain. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.